Hello everyone, welcome to our first video on this channel, week at a time, with our first series called Overlanding. On this series, my family and I will be traveling all across California to find great locations to camp and to find plenty of adventures. For this video, we have decided to drive to a location called the Trona Pinnacle. It's approximately 3 hours and 30 minutes away from our location. In order for us to get to our location, we had to take the 395 freeway, and surprisingly saw a lot of great looking small towns and amazing communities along the way. After a long drive on the pavement, we finally reached the dirt road and began to travel to Trona Pinnacle. We unfortunately didn't have the equipment to air down our tires because we thought we didn't need to, but we were wrong. We continue on this trail for 35 minutes and finally arrived. It was rough and shaky ride, but it was all worth it at the end. Before finding a campsite, we wanted to explore the area first and see how beautiful the Trona Pinnacle really is. And it was really a sight to see. Trona Pinnacle was established around 1968 and it has more than 500 spires located on its 3,800 acres of land. After we explored the area, we found a great camping site located just right below one of many spires in the area. It took a while for us to set camp, but when we finished, we all gathered around the campfire and just relaxed and just talked about how this is very different, but it's a good thing. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching our video. If you guys would like to support us, press that like button and also share if you guys liked it. If you guys want to do more, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and see you guys in our next adventure here at Week at a Time. Thank you.